So, hi Yogesh. Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to the
Yeah.
webinar. So, guys, with us we have today Yogesh. Yogesh is an alumni who is recently placed in November, okay, with XP India, also known as sorry, uh,
Instant supply chain.
yeah, it's a long name and Instant Supply Chain. So,
Instant.
yeah, Solutions Private Limited.
Mm.
So, welcome Yogesh. Great to have you here today. Okay. My name is Nilesh. I work as an alumni relationship
Thanks.
manager, as you know. I've been working with BridgeLabz for past 1 year, and we conduct this webinar every weekend. Okay. So we'll get on with the webinar. Okay. So yeah, first of all, let me congratulate you. Getting a job as a full stack developer. Achieving your dream, and so
Yeah, thank you.
very congratulations to you. So Yogesh, would you like to tell us about yourself? Few things, your academics, your hobbies growing up.
Okay. Myself Yogesh, and I have done this my BTech from Bundelkhand Institute of Engineering Technology in electronics background.
Mhm.
And after completion of BTech, I worked for GATE examination, and after GATE, just I joined BridgeLab,
Right.
and that's it. And play.
Okay. What were your
Yeah.
hobbies growing up?
While doing BTech, it was like for in coding. Coding, I was more interested, so I thought to join this BridgeLab, and it was a very genuine, I think, at that time.
Okay.
There is many institute,
When did you
but
complete? Sorry.
I have seen
When did you
many
complete
of.
your engineering?
I have completed in 2021.
2021. And after that, you tried. You gave GATE. And did you give any interviews
Yeah,
meanwhile while you were also preparing for GATE or while you were looking for a job?
yeah, from Naukri.com. Yeah, I have tried, but due to industry and this recession and all,
Right.
it was very difficult to place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and how did you come to know about BridgeLabz?
Actually, I was searching for that some institute.
Hmm.
So I was seeing many institute, like many of them are there, but I have seen this ad of Ashwin, cricketer Ashwin,
Okay.
and it. So I thought it is a genuine one. So I have joined it.
Oh, okay. So, but you obviously must have also Googled and went through other.
Yeah, it was a good review and all. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, great. Great.
Mm.
So, so you're coming from a electronic and communication engineering background, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, how was the switch? Coming from electronics and then suddenly getting into coding. Okay, because did you before any time have you tried coding yourself? Looking at YouTube videos or join any small course for that.
Yeah, it was difficult, but I have seen some videos before joining the lab, 1 or 2 months. Many of them are there on YouTube, like Code with Harry and all. So I have seen the videos, but video didn't help me because practical thing I can't work on that. I mean, someone used to give a task and I would complete it. That seems to be good.
Okay, but it
Yeah.
was difficult. So tentatively, like how many hours did you code while you were doing the program, BridgeLabz program?
The time I didn't decided, but I used to give a time whole day.
Almost.
Means I didn't have any some yeah, a whole day I can give. I have because coding is a thing that you have to give a time little bit because concept you have to understand. After getting the concept, it will not get it will not we will not face any difficulties.
Right.
concept is main.
So, and it also helps that you are passionate about coding, right? So you, even before
Yeah,
joining
yeah.
BridgeLabz, you were
Six
passionate
six
about
hour, 5 to 6 hour was
every day.
definite.
Okay. So, see, the
Yeah,
reason I'm asking
in
is because
BridgeLab.
a lot of our candidates, students come from a non-IT background, from mechanical, civil. Okay.
Okay.
So they face the same dilemma, and they have this question. Most of them wonder, like, how will I ever code? Okay, I have not learned this, and
Mm-hmm.
but there are ample of uh, examples in BridgeLab itself. People who are coming, even our CEO,
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Narayan Madhavan, is coming from a mechanical background, and he has been a CTO of
Mm-hmm.
multiple industry. He founded BridgeLabs, to help
Mm-hmm.
such students who are coming from other background as well, and let them know like how, if you have the will and passion for coding, you can do it.
Yeah.
So this is one of our motto. So I have heard other candidates who have been for this webinar, like they used to code for 8 hours, 10 hours, and they could see the result in
Mm-hmm.
the track score. So what was your track score when you joined the program?
I made on an average you can say 4.2.
No, no. Initially, when you joined, let's say RFP after the boot camp, initially what was it?
Yeah, it was low. At that time, it was low starting, like 3.6 and 3.8.
Okay,
So they also pushed me, na, for it was good that I was getting low because they pushed me. So you have to work hard. Your tech score is not maintained. You are not good. So they really pushed me a lot.
and you took it in a
So
positive way,
after that, yeah, yeah.
right? So that is important. So by the end of the program, by the end of CFP, okay, what was your tax for, like
Last I remembered that it was I think 4.5.
4.5?
Last track score, which yeah,
Wow,
which I got from this
tremendous,
lab, that
yeah,
was
tremendous growth and effort
uh,
from your side. Great.
yeah.
So how does it feel, becoming a full stack developer? And what was your parents' reaction when they came to know, like, you have been hired as a full stack developer, placed as a full stack developer?
Mm, yeah, it was quite good. So the entire journey was I really liked it for 4 months, 4.5 months you can say.
How many months?
At four and a half you can say. I got placed in 4 months, but you can say deployment it take 15 days.
Okay.
Four and a half.
Oh, great. So from the time you joined the program and by the time you started working with instant supply chain solutions, it was like 4.5 months period.
Yeah,
Great, great,
yeah.
good timing. So, what does can you tell us about Instant Supply Chain Solutions Private Limited? What is the
Yeah.
core business of your,
Basically, it is
yeah,
a
company?
yeah, basically it is a trucking company, logistic company.
Okay,
So it was started in 2007, and currently they are holding 5,000 trucks, and also have a vendors like many vendors like small vendors like many any small Balaji transport, instant transport, anything.
okay.
So they have many vendors with them. So total they have I think 15,000 trucks
Oh,
after getting a vendors also. Yeah.
so 5,000 are owned by the
So
company
they
and
have a truck.
10,000 are on a vendors.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So they have created this online platform for registration for vendors and getting the customer panel, admin panel, and vendors panel. So they get a different panels. So vendor can register themselves and get the location of their trucks, and everything is maintained by XP India.
Ah,
So they are working as a tech logistic now. Yeah, you can say tech logistic. Earlier they were logistic company. Now they are tech
technology
logistic.
system. So great, great. most of the companies have started integrating tech into their day-to-day
Yeah.
operations.
We are having a 15 developers over there,
Okay.
and
Anyone from
we are
BridgeLabz?
from front.
Anyone from your batch?
Yeah, that only. Yeah, that only I'm telling
Yes.
about. So we have a four of full stack, including me.
Okay.
They all four of them are from BridgeLab, and three are from Android developer, and two is a iOS developer. So and everyone is from BridgeLab, and they are
Oh,
doing quite well over
oh,
there.
oh. So everyone.
And I think no one is, and I think no one is from this IT background. Everything mechanical and BSc also someone is there.
Hi,
Yeah,
I seem to have
yeah.
lost connection. Okay, please continue.
Mhm.
You were saying about your colleague from India,
Yeah, everyone is from this bridge level.
BridgeLabz.
Yeah, and we have seniors, so we can say they
Mhm.
are tech leads. So they are they are. I think they are very experienced one. So they used to taught us a lot.
Okay,
Yeah,
great. So you get to learn a lot of stuff too
yeah,
while you work.
yeah.
So thank you for sharing, all this journey with us. Okay. Uh, I think we can start taking questions from our audience. Uh, so we already have a question from Sayukta. Sayukta wants to know how much time for practice we
Okay.
need to give for coding.
Yeah, it's depend on you how much time you can give. If you are a good learner and you are in good in your skill, then you can give a 3 to 4 hours, then it's sufficient. And if you have not experienced one or you don't know the concept, so starting with, I think you have to give 7 to 8 hours definitely.
Right. So great point of view, from the last candidate with whom I did the webinar, Bhavna. She said like she when she started, the journey in BridgeLabz, okay, in RF itself. So initially she said like she was facing some issues regarding coding. She was not getting to understand and all. So then she did had this mindset, put something like if you start working, you will be working for 9 hours every day, right? So she said like I assume like I have already started working now. Even though she was in the
Yeah.
course, she said like I have already started working now. So every day I used to code for 9 hours. And slowly then she saw the difference in her track score, in
Mhm.
her performance, overall performance. So I really like that mindset which she developed, and which helped. And I also suggest this to other students who are there in the RFC and CFP batches. So if you have the right mindset, you can definitely grow. Uh, there are students who have coded for 10 to 12 hours as well. We don't say this is the norm, but if you're passionate about it and if you are willing to develop your career, so this is hardly any time you have to give.
Yes, Sanyukta got a question. Civil
So
department.
Yukta wants to know. Actually, I am from civil department. It will be easy for me.
Yeah, it's no not an issue. I am from also electronics background, and many more are in my company itself. They are from BSc. They have done BSc. Even don't know the they are not from, even they are not from technical thing. So even you are from technical, I think you will do a good. Not a easy,
Right. Right.
it's a very easy. Listen, when we are learning any language, we can say Hindi, English, or Tamil, and this programming is also a language. When you are starting building,
Right.
starting phase, you will face some difficulty. ABCD we are learning, then we you used to face difficulty, but after learning the ABCD, you can make a sentence easily, na. So that's same
Right.
thing. Like a language is language. We have to talk with machine, and these languages we have to personally we have to talk. We have English, Hindi, but here we have to talk with machine. That's it. It's a easy one.
Right. And you have to practice. You have to put in your efforts. Also, there are mentors who can help you with if you're getting stuck. There are doubt clearing sessions where you can present your doubts. You know, uh,
Yeah.
an interesting point I would like to make here, like for 40% of the candidates who come to BridgeLabz are coming from non-IT background, and all 40% of them are getting placed.
Neeraj, I want to share one more thing. The doubt
Yes,
session. Yeah, doubt session was really I enjoyed the doubt session. It was yeah. Starting, I was not joining for 1 month, and after 1 month, I
okay.
started joining this doubt session. So doubt session is very interesting. There we have to,
And what can you some share some
yeah, yeah, basically
episodes
now,
like
basically
this?
people are ashamed to ask now what the other person will think of me. I don't know these things also.
Right.
So in doubt session na, mm, you want to ask anything you can ask, no issue. So and they also explain very quite good. Their explanation also is quite good, and we don't feel that
Okay.
we are means not learning anything. It was a good experience of my this doubt session was I loved that doubt session. And then I started joining every day. Even I don't have a doubt, then also I start joining.
Right. So even if you don't have doubt, or you may have not thought of it, but there is someone in your batch who came up with that doubt, and
Yeah,
you may or may not have that doubt, so it
yeah,
got cleared. So doubt sessions are very crucial for this program, and that is the reason it is there. So after every session, like for 2 hours, right? The doubt session is
yeah. 2 hours.
2 hours, right? Great. So any more questions, Ayuka? Please feel free to ask. Tanashri, if you have any questions, Sneha, and we also have Yogesh Dhangar. Guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. This is the this is the platform for the designed for that only, so that your doubts are cleared. Yogesh wants to know how you will face the hard coding part.
See, nothing is hard in coding. You can say, but you have to make a concept clear because nothing is there. You can't find at the starting. You will not face any hard thing. That for sure. The hard thing will come after in your job while you are working. Now, there you will face a hard thing. But I think in program in this BridgeLab program, I don't think you will face any hard part. And hard part, if you face the hard part, then DAO session is there. No? You will get everything over there. They will explain
Right.
you in quite a good manner.
Right. So what Yogesh wants to say is like if you are in the program, you have your mentors, you have your batchmates who are there with you to support you. Okay, always. So you won't
Many,
face the hardship as much as when you join the company where you don't have your mentors, right? So once you in the program, if you put in your efforts and you give your 100%, you won't face the actual hardship which comes in while you're on the job,
see,
right, Yogesh?
yeah, see, he got one more question. Many inbuilt framework, not remember every time.
Yeah, I mean, Yogesh is saying.
See, coding now, there is a one mantra I learned from the starting itself that you will not remember, you will not be able to remember everything in coding. So see, there are senior developer also. They don't know about this. they know the concept, but they frame difficulty part. Everything is there in internet. If you are good in Google, then you are a good developer also. That is the thing you have to keep in your mind.
Right. Yeah, and it is a common thing with everyone does. Even senior developers I have worked with earlier in my previous company. So if they used to get stuck, they used to refer Google. They used to their Stack Overflow, right?
Yeah.
I believe is the
Hmm.
site. So they used to go there and search for queries. So it is a common thing, quite common thing. And main thing is how to start.
Hmm. Start.
So I believe he is talking about building something and how to start about building that project. If you say
Uh,
so, Yogesh, were you part of? Have you been assigned any project in this present organization?
yeah, we are working on a project FCL. So in FCL, we are now we have a different platform. I told that a customer panel and this driver panel also there, and admin panel,
Okay,
administration panel, vendor panel. So I am working on currently. I am working in this customer panel.
okay,
Yeah, I got a payment related things. So that was my work. Currently, I am having.
okay. So, did you face any difficulties when you started working there? You obviously have worked on projects in BridgeLabz while you
Yeah,
were doing your
yeah.
CFP, right? So, when you joined that company and you were assigned a project, did you, get scared? अरे कैसे करूँगा? ऐसा ऐसा कुछ आपको लगा तभी?
नो, स्टार्टिंग में मैंने ज्वाइन किया ना, फिर अरे एवरीवन इज कंफर्टेबल हिंदी.
I don't know. You can switch if you want to, but
Okay.
English is fine.
Yeah, so starting when I joined na, so there was I was thinking now how we'll do, because in BridgeLab we have a framework, and we worked in Angular. So in company when I went na, though there was already built framework. Already they have built the project. So some small works are there pending. So they given me that task for starting 1 month. So it was
Hmm.
very difficult that seeing the this project uh, folder structure and all, but slowly it was fine. You will get to know
Okay.
slowly.
Yeah, and
Con
the reason you were so comfortable when you joined the
concept.
company is because of the projects you completed
Yeah,
while you were in your CFP batch.
yeah. I know na concept, what to
So,
do, how to get a file
right,
from there, and so though they build a difficult one. They made just in BridgeLab now we have taken a one. There is one folder and there is another folder, so we have connected directly. So
right.
in big project, we have a folder inside
It's the actual
folder
project,
inside
yeah.
folder, folder inside folder. So we have to connect that
Multi,
inside folder with the upper part. So that is the thing.
right.
But no, it was quite
But you had idea about,
yeah.
yeah, great. So thank you, Yogesh. So yeah, one more question from Yogesh is, sir, any difference between class level technology and company level technology? I guess we were discussing the same thing, right? So yes, there will be a difference. Class level technology. I assume you're talking about the project which we give you in CFP batches while you are in the program. Okay, and the company level technology when you are already
Mm.
placed.
No, it is
So
not.
there will be difference, okay, but because company will be working on a vast,
Yeah.
project as Yogesh said, okay, and in the classroom in BridgeLabz will give you only a part of it, but you will be able to connect those things, right, relate to it,
And I think na, he told the class and level and technology level, company level. Starting, you don't need any level. You are in class level itself, starting for 1 or 2 years. Their thing came like
right,
caching technology and all. There is some technology. Na, you will make a good website, and the developer who are senior, na, they have a work that they make a system fast. Only the difference is about new joinee and seniors are. This is only the difference. The senior used to make a system fast, and the new joinee, you can say that they will make a system. and making system fast is very difficult task.
What do you mean when you say making system fast? Do you mean like completing the project or the task quicker than
Yeah,
the you, right?
no,
Okay.
no,
Yeah, that is because they work and they have experience of 3 years, 4 years. So obviously
yeah,
they will have they will be faster than you. But
yeah,
that does not mean like they when they were in your place, they must have been slower too,
yes, sir,
right?
definitely.
When yeah, so it's only a matter of time when you will be as quick as them, right? So I hope yes, Sandar, we have answered your question. Any more questions, guys? Please feel free to ask. Dhanashri, Sneha, would you like to ask anything to Yogesh? You're welcome, Yogesh. So I'll ask a few questions, from on the behalf. So most of the questions are related to CFP duration. Uh, how long was your CFP program?
I think safety, no, customized one, no? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
It was
customized
a
program.
2 month, 2.5 month.
2.5 months. So roughly 10 weeks.
Yeah.
Can I say
Sorry,
10 weeks? दस
and
हफ्तों का था.
uh, my end week.
नो नो 10 हफ्ते का प्रोग्राम था आपका सीएफपी का, राइट?
Uh,
अगर हफ्तों में डिवाइड किया जाए.
yeah, fine.
ओके. So that is because you are a full stack developer. Hope the duration of the CFP program differs, on the basis of technology you are working on. You'll be working on in the company.
Mm.
And after CFP, when did you get the placement later
After
from the
CF,
company?
yeah,
Joining later.
after CFP, no, it was my luck. You can say that I have completed my CFP on 15th of uh, this is November, na? Yeah, last month, 15th
Last month.
October. I have finished my CFP, and
Okay.
luckily I got an interview call before Diwali 22. Hmm.
Okay. Interview call or the
No,
placement
no,
call.
direct
Did
joining
you
it.
did you give any interview for this?
No,
Did you have to
I,
go through any interview? This is also a question which most of our viewers are curious about. Did you have to give any interview?
no, no. I didn't have any interview with the company, but my colleague, some of my colleagues from BridgeLabz itself, they have an interaction,
Hmm.
only interaction, casual interaction. What do you do and like
Okay,
that.
okay, yeah. So no interviews. Mostly there are no interviews. Uh, yeah, but there is a casual interaction between the company and the candidate. Sometimes.
Yeah,
Right.
it's all depend on company.
Yeah, right. Depends on company. Guys, anything else you want to ask? Please feel free. Okay. So, Yogesh, I guess if we are not getting any more questions, maybe we can wrap the session.
Yeah,
So, it was really great having you here, and thank you all the guys who have joined our session. If you have any queries, you can definitely write to us. You can ask your mentors, okay, about queries, okay, and practice coding every day. Complete your assignments on time, okay, and slowly you will see the progress in your review or the track score. So great, Yogesh. I wish you. We have a question from Sayukta. Sayukta wants to know, sir, if we can't get placed, then what is the conclusion of the class? So, Sayukta, there is no reason for you not getting placed. Okay, so as there is a track score criteria which we maintain, and this is what also company mandate requires. Okay, to maintain a track score between 4 to 4.5. Okay, if your track score is not getting up to the 4 to 4.5, between 4 to 4.5 points, then we are there to help you. Okay, so as we will try and we will keep on supporting you till the time you improve your track score. Okay, and then finally you will be placed. So don't worry about getting placed. Just concentrate upon working, you know, improving your performance, and certainly you will be placed.
And
Yogesh, anyone? I just something just came to my mind. How many candidates were there in your batch?
yeah, I was coming to that point itself. Actually, from BridgeLab,
Okay,
I think BridgeLab, I know 20 to 20 people I know that I used to
okay,
talk with them and all. So everyone is placed.
okay.
Yesterday
Great.
also, yesterday itself, I got a call in Gurgaon. I am in Gurgaon now, so I got a call from
Right.
one of my BridgeLab colleague that I got placed in Gurgaon. So can you help me for getting a room? Definitely. Yeah.
Wow,
So
great.
everyone,
So
I don't
just
think
to give you
no.
the perspective, yeah, right. So this gives you a perspective like if almost everyone from his batch is placed, so 20 of 20 people are placed. So the only thing is, till the time if you don't improve your score, we will help you to improve your score, and then you will get placed. So don't worry about it. So Sneha wants to know, sir, how track score is assigned.
Okay. So in the BridgeLab, we when you will join, we will get some points. They will tell the some points that regular classes will be decide your this doubt your track score, and doubt session classes will decide your track score, and also this Saturday there is in every
Weekly review.
yeah in every Saturday we have a you can say review classes review session. So there we will have a this like interview. We have every Saturday we have an interview from BizLab. You can say you will they will ask the question related to this week, that what in week what you have learned, that question they will ask, and it this three or four parameters will decide your track score.
Right. So attendance, regular attendance, attendance to your doubt clearing sessions, your review score, and overall it will decide your track score. I hope Sneha, we have answered your question. Okay.
Only we have a 10 to 15 minutes review in every Saturday, and they used to
Okay.
ask us questions, and we have
Individual
yeah
for with
individual
individual
yeah
15 minutes ka review.
yeah,
Okay. So some
and
people say like every
it is not like that related to outside thing. They will ask the thing that we have learned in week.
in that week only.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so similarly, for that reason, you have to be also attending the class every day.
Yes.
So you are more prepared in the review. So if you skip your class, then obviously your review marks will suffer,
If you
and
skip the
overall your
class,
track score will suffer as well.
if
Yeah,
you skip the class, then forget about getting placed. I think so, because you will lose a concept, and every concept is related to another class.
right. It's a change. Great. Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you. Neha, if you have any questions, please ask. Feel free. Don't worry about it. We are here to help you and guide you also. And this session, this webinar, which we do every weekend, is specially for the candidates and the students who are there in RSC and CSC. Also, some of you who have newly joined, in the boot camp.
And today also, when I am stuck in in anything in a company, so I used
Hmm.
to message one of mentor Christiana ma'am. So I used to message her,
Okay.
and she also gave me a reply what the solution you can find over internet. and how to search the thing, what is the issue. So now also she is helping.
Yeah. So yeah, that is the kind of rapport which many candidates share with their mentors, and that is the bond which is created in this program. Great. So guys, any more questions? Dhanashri, Rishikesh, Sayukta, Sneha. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining us. We will also we'll be conducting a webinar with a new candidate next weekend. So please, join it. And if you think of any other questions, you can ask then also. Okay. So thank you, Yogesh. Again. Thank you again.
Thank you, Nilesh.
And all the best for your future.
Thank
Thank you, guys.
thanks
And
everyone.
work hard during the program and give your best. Welcome. So I'll be signing off. Bye.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.